So viewers, if you are also looking for a HYIP investment website, then you are on the right place. In this video, I will show you how you can make your own HYIP investment complete website, and you can completely control this website from admin panel. So viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher, and in this video I will give you the complete overview of this HYIP Pro latest version script, and I'll show you how you can make it and completely control it from the admin panel. So first of all, you can look at its amazing homepage. Each and everything that is on the website is controllable and changeable from the admin panel. So this text, images, everything that is on homepage is changeable. These credentials are also changeable. And let me tell you viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, or if you need this complete website, end-to-end ready website, we will build it for you at a very reasonable price. You can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description. You can contact us, and we have many other designs as well. So we will give you the demos and you can check them out and tell us. We will build them for you at a very reasonable price. So here this is about a section that is also changeable. Here you can see this is a plan section. Currently you can see this website is hosted on my subdomain demo2.scriptsmasher.com. so we just created the website, so complete site is completely new. In this video I will show you how you can make the plans on the website as well. So here are the plan section, FAQ section, client feedbacks, each and everything you can list from admin panel. And here is no more team member section, read blogs. You can also insert the blogs on the website, and this is the photo section. You can add your social media details as well. So if user want to visit these pages separately, user can visit them separately as well. So this is a plan, about, blog, FAQ and contact page. So I'm going back to home, and now viewers, here is you can log in and you can register. So currently if you have an account you can log in, but we don't have an account, so we will go to register, and I will show you how you can sign up to the website. So here we have to enter our name and first name, last name, enter your username. So currently I am entering the demo details because I have turned off the two-factor authentication. So here we have to enter our phone number. Here we have to enter our password, confirm password, and when you click on sign up, it will create your account. So here we have to fill. Now you can see our account has created successfully, and this is the user dashboard of this website. So user can completely manage all its tasks, invest in plan, deposit money, withdraw money from here. So first of all, user can see its main balance, interest balance, deposit balance, total earning. These are some other ROE and investment plan section. User can see its investments, payouts and total referral bonus, and this is a referral link. User can refer different user and earn money through referrals as well. So here is the main balance, interest balance. So by going to deposit, user can deposit money on the website. User just have to click on deposit and user can deposit money. Here's the plan section. So currently we haven't made any plan because site is completely new, so we will create it from admin. But first let me demonstrate this. Here user can see invest history. Here is a deposit, same like add fund. User can go to this and user can deposit money using any of the gateway. So you can see multiple automatic and manual payment gateways are available. User can recharge using any of the gateway user want. So all worldwide accepted gateways are here. So user can use them and recharge money using them. So just fill the amount user want to recharge, click next, click on pay now, and user can recharge money. Here user can see all its recharge history. User can transfer its balance from one account to another. So this is a transfer section. So user can transfer its balance from the one account to another on the same website. Here user can see its transaction. From payout, like this is a withdrawal section. So user can withdraw its money that user earns, and from here, so this is a withdraw history section, and this is my referral section. So user can see all its referral in this section. So this is all about the user panel of this website. So let me show you how it looks like in mobile. So it's mobile friendly, so mobile user can also easily use this in mobile phones like this, and here mobile phones users can use them. So now I will go to the admin panel of this website and I will show you how you can completely control this website. This is all about the user panel. Now I'm going to admin panel. So here I will type /admin after link and it will redirect me to admin login page. So this is the admin login page. Now here I have to enter my username and password in order to log into the admin. So here I will enter my admin email. And after that here I will enter my admin password. So now I can log into the admin panel. So let me just 1 2 3 4 5 6 and let me click on sign in. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into the admin panel of this website. So you can see the total users, admin can see total users, total active user, join, total funds on website, total investment, total plans. Currently there is no plan, but we will create it. Here you can see total investment, total running investment, complete investment, total deposit, total withdrawal, and everything will be here. So admin can view those things from here. Here admin can change its details of account. So here is role permission option. So admin can set multiple roles for its team managers and manager or team members from here. So this is the role section. Admin can make the KYC forms from this section or turn off the KYC. From user ranking, basically admin can set the user ranking and give them bonuses on different achievements. Here's the plan section. So let me just create the plan. So let me see if schedule is ready. You can make the plan for day, hour, month, week, years, whatever you want to make, you can make it. So currently there is no plan, but let's create one plan on the website just to show you. So I will create the basic plan. So I will give the name basic. Badge name is also the basic plan. So here I will make it for $100. You can make it fixed or you can make it in a range form like $100 to $1,000, or I am making currently fixed. Percentage user will earn 50%, and after every hour I am making it for a day. Every day user will get 50% of $100. Only mean every day user will get $50. So here how many times? 3 times. So total amount will be $150. That profit of user will be $150. You can make it for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, whatever you want to give. And capital back or not. So feature it, click on save changes. And plan is created successfully. Now let me just check on the website whether our plan is live or not. So we will go to plan section. And here now you will see that there is a basic plan that we just created. Now we can invest in this plan. Here you can see all 50% everyday profit of for the lifetime. So here we can just change it from lifetime to we can just make it for some specific time. So here you can turn it for off for lifetime, or you can just turn off on period time. So now it will over for lifetime. So now here you can see profit for every day, capital back is yes, total profit will be 150% for 3 times. So this is how you can make investment plans, and here user can click on invest now and invest in the plan. But currently we don't have balance in our account, so we cannot invest, so it will show insufficient balance. So this is how viewers we can invest in the plan. So here current balance is $10 only, so we cannot invest. So here is a referral section. So admin can create multiple levels of referral on investment, deposit, profit. From here admin can set all the levels. So select the type and you can generate as many as levels of commission you want to give to user. Here admin can see all transactions, investment, commissions on the website. Admin can completely control all the users. Currently there is one user that you can see that is on our own account. So admin can edit this user, verify its KYC, add, subtract balance to user account from here. So we can add or subtract balance to user account. So suppose I wanna add $1,000 to user account, and $1,000 are added successfully. Now let me see whether its balance is updated or not. So now you can see our balance is $1,010. So $1,000 were added to our account. Now we can invest in the plan. Let me see. And this was the basic of $100 plan. Click on invest now, and when we click on invest now, so plan invested successfully. So we have successfully invested money in the plan. So here you will see now when we refresh so here our balance is $910 because $100 were invested in plan. So you can see total investment is $100, and here you can see all your invest history over here. So after this time your profit will be added to your account. So this is how you can manage these things. You can manage all those things, send emails, KYC records, everything will be under your control. You can change password of user from here as well. Here you can verify KYCs, send email to users. Here are payment methods. So you can see all the automatic payment gateways that were available. So you can use them. You can edit their merchant details and you can put your own details and you can use them. But if you want to create your own manual gateway, you can also create the manual gateway from here. Just click on add now and you can add any manual local country gateway from here. So it's very simple to manage and control this website, and if you want this complete website, we can build it for you at a very reasonable price. So you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this investment platform for you, and you can earn a lot of money through this type of website. So from here you can approve or reject user request of deposits. So when user will request a deposit, the request will come here and you can approve it or reject it. Here are withdrawal settings, same like deposit. You can make withdrawal methods. Just click on add new and you can make withdrawal method, and you can approve or reject user withdrawals from here. So here are the payout settings, so you can turn off withdrawals as well. So here you can approve or reject user withdrawal request. So when user will request a withdrawal, the request will come here. So these are the support ticket options. So you can manage support tickets. Here is a basic control. So if you want to change the name of website, you can change the name, you can change the time zone, you can change the currency of website, you can change the minimum bonus, joining bonus, transfer charge, and cron job settings, registration, debug mode, everything. You can manage these things from here, and on or off different features on the website. So you can make plugin configurations, email settings, SMS setting, push notification. You can use multiple languages on the website. So if you want to insert your own country language, you can insert that as well. So you can use any of the language you want. Here is manage theme. So you will get many different themes, templates in this. So if you want to use them, just click on them and you can activate them and use them. So 8 different templates you will get and you can use them. So here you can manage the logo of this website. So you can change the logo from here. Just click the logo and upload your own logo. Here's breadcrumb settings. So you can make the home page banner settings from here. And let me show you some other things, like this is a content setting. So you can manage each and everything that is on your website from here. So all those sections were here. So if you want to edit them, you can edit their details, text, images, whatever is on that page, you can edit them from here. Similarly, this is about page and you can edit every page similarly like this, and some other pages like blog, FAQ, and everything is manageable. So viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this website. Now if you want to purchase this script, or if you need the complete end-to-end ready website, just contact us and we will build this for you. And viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.